Welcome to this video on how AI agents are revolutionizing the world of work. In this presentation, we'll explore how autonomous AI agents are already automating various tasks across industries and take a look at the jobs likely to be affected in the near future. We'll also discuss the implications for workers, businesses, and policymakers as AI takes on more cognitive and physical roles. AI agents go beyond chatbots. These are intelligent systems capable of reasoning, memory, and planning. They can execute tasks without needing constant human input. Tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and enterprise agents are being used to automate research, generate reports, manage calendars, and even build software. Their ability to work 24/7 and scale instantly makes them highly attractive to businesses. Today's AI agents are replacing repetitive rules-based white-collar tasks. In customer service, AI agents are handling common inquiries with human-like responses. In research roles, they can scan thousands of documents to summarize insights in seconds. Marketing teams are using AI to schedule posts, write content, and analyze trends. The shift is already happening, and many companies are reducing overhead by adopting these tools. Let's look at real examples. Klarna, a fintech company, replaced hundreds of support staff with a GPT-powered chatbot that now does the work of 700 people. Amazon uses AI-powered agents in logistics to monitor inventory, plan routes, and predict package delays. Even startups are deploying agents to test user interfaces and optimize product experiences, all without hiring extra hands. Looking ahead, the jobs most at risk are those that involve pattern recognition, documentation, or repeatable decision-making. AI agents can already draft legal contracts, summarize case law, and generate financial projections. Junior developers might be replaced by AI that codes faster and debugs on its own. Routine admin roles will continue to shrink as AI gets better at understanding context and adapting to tasks. Despite the job displacement, AI will also create new categories of work. Prompt engineers and trainers are in high demand to refine LLM outputs. Companies need designers who can build workflows where humans and AI agents work together efficiently. Policy and ethics advisors will play a key role in regulating automation. And as AI systems become more embedded in business processes, we'll need oversight professionals to ensure safety and accountability. To thrive in this new landscape, professionals should focus on what AI can't do well: creativity, ethics, and judgment. Upskilling in AI usage, not just coding, will be key. Understanding how to prompt, supervise, and partner with AI agents will be as vital as knowing Excel was in the 2000s. The most resilient workers will be those who adapt, learn continuously, and apply human intelligence where machines fall short. In conclusion, we are entering a time of rapid transformation. AI agents are not just tools. They are becoming digital co-workers that never sleep, don't ask for vacation, and improve constantly. This presents enormous opportunities for those who prepare. Embrace the shift, learn to work with AI, and take part in shaping the future of employment.